Ja, heel veel speel. Ik weet het. Hi again and welcome to this new dog training tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can teach your dog to drop it, which means how you can teach your dog to drop. What I mean by that is how you can teach your dog to drop an object, a toy. Basically, how you can take a toy from your dog without having to run after your dog or having to correct your dog all the time. When you basically want to get a toy from your dog. Los, like this. Not completely, but something like this. First thing you want to do is grab a toy which your dog really like. And I know you like this one. Then what you have to do is have a treat ready to use. What you want to do for the first thing is simply give your dog the toy. Like this. Have your treat ready to go. And then what you want to do is treat the toy of your dog with the treat you have in your hands. And for the first step you don't add a command yet. So just give the toy, for example, and then you have to be a little bit enthusiastic, otherwise your dog could be reacting like this, just standing still, waiting for me to throw it. And then you're just simply gonna trade it. Goldie! Kijk eens, goed zo. So now I've just traded it. I got the toy, she got the reward, without giving a command. And you have to do this a couple of times. I have a toy, I have my reward, give the toy to the dog, and then or just throw it like this. Kijk eens. Goed. So again, trading the toy for the treat. For the second one, the second step here is you do the same thing and now you add a command. So you trade the toy for a reward and you say drop it or leave it, or in my language, which is Dutch, you say los. Make sure your dog has a toy. You can throw it away and then trade it with a reward and add a command. Goldie! She's too fast. And los. Goed zo. Our dog is pretty fast because she already knows this command. But again, for the second step, trading, you get the toy, your dog gets the reward, and you add leave it or drop it or whatever your language is. And you say the command los. Goed zo. Kijk eens. Los. What the fuck is that ding on? Oh, here. So this is also an important thing while you're training this trick, is that you make sure that you sometimes also just give the toy back to your dog. This way you make sure that your dog doesn't get insecurity of every time when you ask for the toy that she might not get it back. So by doing this, just giving the toy to her and let her play with it, increases the training and makes it more positive, and this way she will learn it faster to drop the toy because she knows I'll get it back at some point. So these were actually all the steps you have to do for training your dog to teach to drop a toy or drop an object. These are not many steps, it's a matter of repeating and rewarding at the right time, and have a lot of patience. That's it for this one, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Ciao, ciao.